Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways to rotate tables in Microsoft Word document. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. First method, select the table, then table layout. Here you can change the direction of the text as you see. Okay. In this way you can change and then adjust the cell size of the table. Method 2, let's delete the table. Control V. Okay. You can just from here right click, copy. For example, I delete this table. Just right click, paste as image. Okay, now you have rotation option. Okay, that's the second option. Third option, I can go to Excel. From here, select your table, right click, copy. Select a cell here, then right click, paste it like transpose. Good, as you see here. Now you can select the table, Control C, come back to Word document, Control V. You see, now your table, okay. Because with the page, oh good. Now the table is rotated. That's all. Have a nice day.